Yeah, all right, here we go. What is this, lady?
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the super special winter edition of Show and Tell. It is cold as heck outside, but it's warm and toasty inside, so just stay inside and put your hands on your soldering iron and hang out with us as we do this half an hour of Show and Tell. We have some wonderful people who are going to show off their awesome creative projects, whether it be 3D printing or cosplay, knitting or electronics. All sorts of making, crafting is welcome here, and we'd love to see what you're working on. So,
and we have two guests tonight on Ask an Engineer, so stick around after Show and Tell. Matt from Autodesk and Mike from Mike.
It's all about CAD.
Well, the name of your company is Mike, so that makes sense, right? Oh, you're Mike. Yeah.
He says Mike. I didn't. I was wondering actually what that shirt was. I was like, looks like the Make logo. Okay. Anyways.
All right, we're gonna start with JP. JP, what you got going on this week?
Hey guys. So I've got this little set of edge-lit NeoPixels that I just got, and these are the 120 per meter NeoPixels that we're selling in store. I just put a little sketch on a Metro that I'm running on them. And the reason I was super excited about these the other day is I looked at them and I said, you know, the spacing looks like you could probably interleave them and get a ridiculous high density strip because they just fit. They've got a little bit of wiggle in there. So now for projects where you're trying to do what looks like essentially a continuous row of pixels, this is pretty great. And I don't know what project I'm going to do with it yet, but if you look at this like diffused, the fact that you can curve these, especially if we lift them up and away from each other, and get a pretty dense set of pixels that are in a curved pattern, which you can't really do with a normal flat strand of NeoPixels. They curve kind of that way with the LEDs facing out. So side lit and the fact that these things are ridiculously dense, I'm just super psyched about this. So that's all I wanted to show is this little hack I put together just based on how those things fit. There's our little NeoPixels.
Okay, cool.
Good stuff.
And I might do something with that on my live show tomorrow, so we'll see. Not quite sure what's cooking, but something involving that maybe.
Get edge lit.
All right, thank you.
They're pretty cool.
All right, Felipe, what you got going on?
Hello there. Hey, John. Maybe super dense light painting. You just
Big fat bars of light. I love it.
Yeah. So I made this little physics toy using the Charlieplex LED matrix, and it's just a 32U4 microcontroller in there. And boy, I was having the hardest time with the physics because I'm just no good at math, and it was getting beyond what the microcontroller could do. And there's a word for this, and I can't think of it. It's when you take basically a naive algorithm, like not a real physics simulation, but like what a kid would think physics looks like. And if you iterate on that very quickly, it fools the brain into looking like physics is happening, even though the algorithm itself is relatively simple. It's like Conway's game of life. Simple rule repeated, and I can't remember the name for that phenomenon, but that's not important right now. I'll probably make
quantum mechanics.
Yeah, some little bit of jewelry or some kind of little physics toy. I'm not quite sure what yet.
Okay.
It's fun.
All right.
It's fun.
And everyone wish NeoPixels a five-year-old birthday. Philby is the inventor of the name and probably all the libraries we all use for NeoPixels. So happy birthday, Phil's NeoPixel.
Yay!
Okay. Yeah. All right. Dan, what you got going on?
Hi.
Hey. Oh, this Dan. Oh, sorry. There's Daniel and Dan. This is. We'll go. This one's Dan. When we do Daniel, I'll say Daniel. Sorry. Multiple Dans. So this one's Dan.
Dan Halbert.
Dan Halbert. Yeah.
All right. You see me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what we've got, Scott and I and some other folks are working on the next minor version of CircuitPython. We're mostly fixing some bugs and adding a couple of features. And I spent the last week or so fixing up the microphone code that runs on the Circuit Playground Express. So Lady Ada and I spent quite a while working on making the digital filter faster and better, and it's all ready now, and there's an Arduino version also. And we're in good shape here, and so I just want to demonstrate. We have some code here that Katney, one of our people, worked on, which is a VU meter. And I think Tony, this came originally, I have my assistant here, Einstein. And so just to demonstrate making the VU meter, so we got a xylophone. So we don't have to worry about YouTube.
You really went over the top with the props here, you know. Yeah, it's cool. You're like, let me get out the Einstein and the xylophone. It's fine. It's good.
So you can watch this guy. And, all right, you get the idea.
Yeah.
All right, and if you just look closely, you've got. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. You can see it. You can see when I'm talking, it's detecting me. So this you'll be able to do, and this will be part of the Circuit Playground library, probably, in the next version of it. That's something that you can call. All right, that's it.
All right,
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to continue on with some of the Adafruit folks, and Adafruit folks, after you finish, drop out, so maybe we can get in. All right, Erin. Hello, Erin. How are you doing?
Good. Let's see. I'm showing a fun new project, which is my my Venetian color thief. So I have a cloak and a hat that I actually made, and I sewed a bunch of NeoPixels in. There's about 50 NeoPixels in there flashing, and it's connected to this hat with a mask. And then I have a glove that has within it a color sensor, so I can activate this, and then I can touch something. I'm going to touch just this Post-it note here. And when I do that, the colors in the cloak will change to match whatever it is I touch. And so the idea here is that I can run around an event and I can touch people's costumes or clothing or whatever they're wearing, and I can actually steal the colors from them. And it's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun to play with. I'm figuring out how to get different rainbow modes in there and all kinds of cool stuff. But it's kind of a blast, and it's just a neat concept people really enjoy. So that's what I'm working on this week.
It's really cool.
All right.
Nice.
Thank you so much, Erin. Okay, next up, Blitz City. Blitz City, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hello.
So I've got a NeoPixel Menora that I made. The body's made out of PVC pipe joints that are held together with some clamps. And then each NeoPixel, using the 8mm ones, has a little switch so I can control where it goes on. So as each night goes, I can turn another one on. And it's all running on a Trinket M0 board down here. And I actually 3D printed the base. It was the first thing I ever did in CAD, so it was kind of a big project. But so everything's staying in here, as well as the power supply connector, so it's nice and flat. But yeah, and then I just had, and my headphones just popped out. I published my first guide on Learn System today. And it's on this project, a Circuit Playground Express powered snow globe. When you shake it, it lights up and plays a little bit of music.
Oh, really cool.
So,
Oh, so cute.
so yeah,
Nice work.
Nice.
thank you.
Outstanding. We're looking forward to many more delightful guides.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. Daniel and team.
Daniel.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So I thought this week I would bring on one of my students, and she's going to show you her project that she made with Circuit Playground. This is Hannah, and
Hi, Hannah.
I'm going to switch cameras real quick here so we can get a better look at what she's got there.
Ooh.
All right, Hannah, take it away.
Okay, so I made a project using the Adafruit Circuit Playground Express, and I made an Indiana Jones themed project. So I am playing the role of Indiana Jones, and I have his diary here, and I am trying to find out which of these 4 cups here is the Holy Grail. And he told me that if I use his diary and hold it over the Holy Grail, it will respond in some way.
Okay. No.
If you get the wrong one, you turn into like a skeleton or something. You have to be careful.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay. That's it.
The right grail?
You've chosen wisely. Oh, that's cool.
It plays a song.
Nice.
All right, nice
great.
work. Yay,
Great
Hannah.
job, Hannah.
All right, Hannah. Yeah, we always thought that like electronics now you can start doing stuff that have something to do with books or even movies because there's always like fictional books, and if you read the right thing and something happens, so that's really neat. All right, well, congratulations, Hannah. Well, Daniel knows how to get a hold of us. We'll send you an As Seen on the Show and Tell sticker so you can add it to that book.
Yeah, sounds good.
Congratulations on your picking the right Grail.
Yeah.
She didn't stop, which is good.
You can go and punch some Nazis now.
Yeah, well, pastime and all the Indiana Jones movies. All right. Okay, next, we're going to go to mblade. Hello, mblade.
Who is LEDs?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
there. Hi. So I just put together my.
Scale. I thought that was.
I thought that was like a little desktop.
I thought that was close up of our tiny little things, and unless you're like 1 inch tall, this is impressive.
Yeah, here, turn on the light real quick. You see how big it is. There.
Wow.
Okay, that's an entire garage. All right, no, turn the light back off.
This looks good.
Yeah.
Cool, 'cause it looks like we're in a spaceship or something. All right. Yeah, this is great.
Yeah, I literally just I had built this wall back in the spring with the help of a lot of friends. This took quite a bit of manpower to put together, but back then I basically made the panels to be connected all in one straight line. So basically, the data in was data out per panel. You know, so if one panel is missing or LED at the beginning breaks, then the whole thing goes down. So I've now finally upgraded it to using the TC's Octo board, so you can output to 8 different channels at the same time. So basically now I can move the panels around, break them apart, put them in any direction I want. You can see I have a panel over there, over here. Doesn't matter. I can move them around, and they're all connected through RJ45 connectors, or Ethernet cables. So I know Ethernet cables doesn't provide much power, but for each panel, they only take, if I drive full white 100%, that's like 2 amps, which is not that bad for the cable. So, but of course, every panel has their own power, their dedicated cables, so I can just disconnect one and it's fine, right? So,
okay.
Yeah, and I also like completely drove up the sensitivity for the view meter. I literally just put it together. I haven't had a chance to remap where the pixels are. That's why they look like they're going up or down or left or right, and they're all kind of crazy right now. But it should be a continuous like VU scale. But no, right now it just looks interesting. But later on, I'll be mapping every single pixel and put them in the right place. So
I like it like that.
yeah.
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah, this is super cool.
All right, mblade. Well, send us. I feel weird that we're just going to send you a sticker because it's a pretty big project, but send us email support@adafruit.com. We'll send you out a sticker. You
This
can put
is totally like a Daft Punk
anywhere
video.
in the garage.
Like it's.
And before I go, that's not my first suit. This is my bodysuit that I was wearing separately. So as you can see, it's also on audio reaction.
Oh.
All right,
This is a party.
you get the coolest garage award tonight.
I'm LEDs, so
I
this
don't
is
know,
my
it's still early. You never know.
for having me. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, mblade. Okay, next we're going to go to Rebecca. Hello, Rebecca. How are you?
Hey, welcome back.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. It's finals week. I'm tired. But I'm done. So this is the first year that I've been stuck at school for Hanukkah. So my mom sent me one of the Hanukkah kits.
Oh, nice.
That you guys carry, which is actually really awesome. I just left the cable somewhere, and I'll find it later. But I built that last week before I was tired with finals. And I've also been knitting a lot while I've been studying. I was watching electrical engineering studying videos and knitting, so I made this shawl. And
You're knitting and kidding.
I'm knitting and studying and learning all about circuit analysis all at the same time.
Okay.
All right, we'll keep up the good work. Congratulations with finishing your finals. And if you want a sticker, you know where to find us.
Yeah.
All right, good luck on your
All
finals.
right. Next, Coding Pro. Awesome Santa hat. I have a feeling that's what the project is.
So I got the Santa hat a few days ago, and I hacked into it a bit, and it's sort of like the Adafruit Gemma, but I'm using a lily pad, which is another Arduino board, and a lily pad buzzer, and I sewed it with conductive thread, and plays music.
Nice. Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
And also, if I share my screen, Okay, so I've been experimenting with Scratch. Am I still on?
Yeah, you're still on.
Yep.
Scratch is 10 years old too. Happy birthday, Scratch.
And I worked on this one game, and it's all about, so you're basically Santa and you're flying and you're delivering presents, so
it's like Flappy Santa or Flap.
I can
Santa
make
bird.
the Santa move. It's pretty cool. And I haven't completed it yet, but I'm working on it.
I like that you added bats. Thank you.
Yes.
All right, Coding Pro. Well, good work. Drop us a note. We'll send you out a sticker, and keep up the good projects. Every week you've been
Cool.
coming up with really good ones.
Thank you.
All right. Next, zbones. Zbones, what you got going on?
Hey,
Hey,
zbones.
I don't know if zbones know where.
Hey,
Hey, zbones.
Hey.
Hi. Zbones?
Maybe zbones can't hear us.
Zbones, can you hear us? All right. Well, we'll get back to zbones soon. Maybe he knows. Oh, no, he's there. Okay. Hey, zbones. So we can't hear you.
You're muted.
Yeah, we can't hear you. But maybe you could do maker charades? Can you do maker charades? Yeah, we can't hear you. Oh, no. Yeah.
No!
LEDs.
Yeah. Do you want us to come back to you and see if you can get your...
You just have to unmute the
You might have to unmute. Okay.
thing.
First word is...
Click the microphone icon.
Okay.
Whoa!
All right.
Okay.
So,
Oh, this is a pretty cool garage.
okay, no, this is the bathroom.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wow.
This is
you're
the
right.
bathroom next to mBlade's
Wait,
garage.
he's got it like a sauna thing, a spa thing going on
Yeah.
there. There's a jacuzzi.
Oh, this is great. Like the coolest club.
It's like a Christmas bathroom.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can hear you now. Okay, do you want to do that demo again? Because
Can you hear me now?
yeah. Yes.
Yep.
Yes, it's thumbs up. Yeah, we can hear you.
Sorry, lag issues.
Okay, play your bathroom again.
Yeah, let me try to bring it a little closer.
Like every time you flush or something. It's like John Luke Picard's like,
That's where you don't want the VU meter?
yeah.
Yeah, that counter was cool.
Woo!
Yay!
All right, Yvonne, send us an email, support@adafruit.com. You can put it on the vanity there or whatever. New York Size Club is zbones. that's what it
Zebo's
is.
bathroom.
Okay, next one. Bomjumaku. Yeah.
Yep.
All right, I'm trying to change my camera here so I can actually show you what I've been doing. If I can get it to work.
We see you.
Well,
you can just.
I guess I'll just put my phone around.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm building a tensegrity lamp for a Christmas present. And let's see. Yeah, there it is. There's the structure that I built. Dowel rods and paracord, and then smaller micro cord to kind of stabilize everything. And then I have some test code running on these LEDs. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to make sure.
Oh, that's
yeah, there we go.
I've not seen a tensegrity structure use LEDs yet, so that'll be cool.
Yeah, it was kind of hard to get it stable enough to make sure that it wasn't going to break the LEDs once I installed them. But I think it's going to work, so that's like halfway done. I also modded this old PC power supply to be like a lab bench power supply. You can see it.
That's cool.
Yeah, and then also I made this fume extractor because I was poisoning myself.
All right. Well, since you're in mid-project, why don't you come back? You get a sticker no matter what. We're gonna pay it forward. Okay. So email support at Adafruit, and we'll send you a sticker. But come back when that's finished. That's a cool project.
Yeah, definitely I will.
All right. Next up, we're gonna go to Ani. Ani. Hello, Ani.
So since the new Star Wars movie is coming out, I thought this would be a good Christmas gift. So what I did was I made a Light Saber version of a Chromecast, which is used with a Raspberry Pi Zero. So it also lights up.
Oh, neat.
Oh, cool.
So what I did was I installed the software. I installed the software on my Raspberry Pi called Raspberrycast. It's pretty much like a version of Chromecast, except you have to pair up your whole IP. So you got to do the whole IP config, all that stuff. So yeah, hold on one second. I'm just gonna show you an example of it. You see?
Yep.
You can see it. Hold on. Excuse me for a second. I'm gonna have to boot up.
When are you gonna see Star Wars? We're trying to figure out when we're gonna go.
Probably this Saturday.
Yeah.
Wow. No time to waste.
Apparently, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the reviews have been pretty solid.
Okay.
All right, you see it?
Yeah, it's starting to boot up. We see a bright square.
Nope.
No signal. Let's retry this.
Okay.
All right, I'll tell you what. Why don't you get it booted up? We'll go to Roberto, and if you have it running, we'll pop back over.
That way, there's no pressure on you.
Yeah. You still get a sticker. You should. You should. Yeah. All right, Ani. Thank you so much, and let us know how Star Wars is. We should go see it. All right, Roberto, how's it going?
Hey, you're doing good. How are y'all? Can y'all hear me well?
Yeah.
Okay. The audio is real choppy, so I can't really hear what y'all are saying, but I'm gonna keep going unless y'all like motion to stop. Okay. So in OpenSCAD, I created some models of light signals, like from Batman. So this is a sample one. And I also have the ability to put in the text, like with dialogue bubbles. This one here's there. And the stand is also available as like an STL, but it's just real basic, enough to hold it in place. And the pizza pointer, so like you could indicate that like, hey, you know, with an arrow that there's something in that direction. And there's a whole bunch of charms. So like there's one that you can say something like I heart somebody, like Sarah or whatever name you got. And then my local team is the Spurs, so I have a light signal with it, Go Spurs Go. And it's an open source project, and the source code is available on GitHub. And like I mentioned, the Thingiverse customizer has, am I showing my screen right now? Do y'all see it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So yeah, so it's on GitHub, as well as, well, I think I'm sharing everything, but if you go to Thingiverse and look for my account, there's a customizer that you can use to customize your own with your own text and choose your icons. So that's what I just have to show today. Thanks for having me.
All right.
Sweet.
Thank you so much. You're always doing a cool project. As always, you get a sticker email support at adafruit.com. We're going to pop up over to Ani, and then zbones, get ready to play your bathroom again. We'll close out with you. So just get ready. All right, Ani, what do you got? Looks like you're booted up. Well, it's a nice screen.
It is peaceful.
Yeah. This is your moment of zen. All right. Okay, you can unmute zbones and play us out. You just have to unmute, but it still looks cool no matter what. zbones. I'm just imagining this house now. Dun, 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 dun. I think I stayed at a W once that this was like the background. I'm not kidding.
I wonder what the LEDs under the counter.
Yeah, it's
they're
cool.
like
Yeah, that's actually really cool. I like the
amazing.
patterns in the counter. Are
The counter is like.
All right, well, that's our show for tonight. Thank you, everybody.
I think Annie is back.
Annie, you back?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on. It's I can't play it right now. Hold on, it's not working.
We're gonna do Ask an Engineer, so you can come back.
But you can come back next week.
Yeah.
All right.
We're here every week.
Okay, thank you, zbones. Thank you, Roberto. Thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, mblade. Thank you, Danielle and Hannah. Coding Pro, Jaku, and Blitz City. We're here every single week. Thank you for making this the best half an hour of our lives every single week. We'll see everybody next week, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Next up is Ask an Engineer. Bye, everybody.
Bye.